In this video, I'll show you how to request early check-in on booking.com. Now guys, there is no actual feature to do this. Your best option is to go to the specific hotel that you want to book or place that you want to book, scroll all the way down to ask a question, and ask the question of if you can check in early even though they have certain checking times. I would not recommend going this route though. What I would recommend doing is just contacting them directly. For instance, Santon Times Square, I could just Google that and give them a call. Alternatively, if you've already booked, what you can just do is click on bookings, and inside here you'll find, for instance, Santon Times Square. Click in that and you will be able to message them directly. Keep in mind that most places are going to charge you extra for this or just outright refuse. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.